How to add subtitle on Premiere Pro on Mac. So there's this thing called auto transcribe. If you're speaking on English or any language that could easily be understood by AI, because the speaking is clear, then you can press on the clip on your timeline and go on window and go over here, search for text. Once you click on text, it's going to appear over here on the top left corner. Once you press on text over here, go on the option transcript and click on transcribe. Then it's going to basically scan your entire video, and basically it's going to give auto subtitle over here. Now I'm just going to cut it because it's going to take a long time, but I hope you understand how to do that. But let's say you don't want it to be done by AI, you want to do it manually. In that case, just press on T over here, and then over here on this monitor, just press on the place where you want to add title or subtitle and start typing. Once you're done, just go here, press this button, and for however long you want the text to appear on your screen, just make it that size and you're good to go. That's basically how you guys can add subtitle on Premiere Pro on Mac. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.